Stop paying down your loans early. Paying down loans may seem like the responsible thing to do, but in many situations, it won't be the best financial decision. There are many reasons why you should pay down as little as possible on your loans, and understanding these will make you money in the long term. Reason number 1, taxes. Paying off loans can reduce your ability to deduct interest on your taxes. The interest paid on certain loans, such as student loans, mortgage loans, and business loans, are tax deductible, meaning you can reduce the amount of taxes you owe by the amount of interest you paid. By paying off these loans, you lose the ability to claim these deductions, which can significantly increase your tax bill. If you pay off your home loan early, you're giving up the government subsidy way too easily. Reason number 2, inflation. Inflation reduces the value of your money over time. And with inflation we've had in the past year, $1,000 today will essentially only be worth $930 in a year. Meaning that if you have a fixed rate mortgage or student loans, your payment never changes, effectively making each payment cheaper over time, since you're paying your loan with money that isn't worth as much. Since paying your loan becomes less expensive each year, especially during times of high inflation, early payoff simply does not make financial sense. Reason number 3, investing. One of the main reasons to avoid paying down loans comes from the opportunity cost you incur by giving up your equity. Over a long period of time, it'll be much more beneficial to invest that money instead. By investing your money in stocks, real estate, or other investments, you have the potential to earn a much higher return than you would by paying down a loan with a lower interest rate. Over the past 50 years, US stocks have returned about 10% annually. So if you're sitting on a loan with 3% interest payments, your opportunity cost is coming in at 7%. This advice is especially true if you're young and have a long time horizon for your investments. Reason number 4, leverage. Having loans can be beneficial because it can help you build wealth. For example, if you use a loan to buy a rental property, the rental income from that property can more than cover the loan payments, and you may be able to earn a significant return on your investments over time. Similarly, if you spend $40,000 on a $200,000 home, that equates to a 20% down payment. If we then assume a price rise of about 2% every year, instead of receiving those, you'll be accruing a return on investment of a whopping 10% annually. These numbers are fairly realistic and show how important the use of leverage can actually be for your financials. Reason number 5, financial flexibility. Another reason to avoid paying down loans is that it can limit your financial flexibility. If you have a lot of cash tied up in paying down loans, you may not have the funds available to take advantage of other opportunities that come your way, including things like buying a new house, a car, starting a business, or even just taking a vacation. Additionally, it'll hurt your financial safety, as your ability to keep an emergency fund might be limited. By keeping your loans, you can have more cash available to either take advantage of opportunities, simply enjoy life more, or be able to weather a financial storm. Hopefully you learned something new in this video. If you did, leave a like and check out these other videos on finance and technology.